This video made for entertainment and educational purposes only, so don't repeat anything you see in this video.
Come on. Yep, yep guys, yep, there it is. What's up guys, I'm Kyle and I'm a crypto expert with 7 years of experience, and today I'm gonna show you something pretty fun that I recently found. I'm always checking different YouTube videos where people show free Solana or different stuff, and I even tried a couple of this last week. And yeah, let me tell you, the most of that stuff is pure junk, so don't expect miracles there, right? But today, I've already put my site, okay, let me open it. I've already put my site just for test a few things on myself, and I'm gonna see what's really going on. And quick reminder, everything I show is based on my personal experience. It's purely for educational entertainment only, and I'm not recommending you try anything. You honestly just relax and watch. And for those who don't know me yet, I have my personal channel. You can pause the video and check the name. Just make sure don't mix it up, right? Okay, so what I'm testing today. A little while ago I came across this app, and I think it's finally time to record the video and see how it behaves while I'm working with Solana, right? So I'm gonna open the app, make it a bit smaller. Sorry guys, it's quite morning, so my voice probably still sleepy, so I'm gonna choose this option. Yep. And by the way, guys, drop a comment below and tell me if you like this video breakdown, so maybe you have an ideas what should I test next. And yeah, everything seems fine, so just a quick setup. And by the way, all the info here I enter is from open public sources, and guys, never share your personal data anywhere. You know, one mistake in crypto and well, you know how it goes, right? Okay, so I'm gonna enter. Yep. Okay, so it's loading and looks okay. Yeah, seems like it's pulling my info correctly. So far so good. I've seen much better apps, and these days one guy with AI can build a whole platform, alright. Okay, so let me check, and yep guys, that's all okay. So that's kind of fun. Okay, I even wake up. I'm awake guys, so hold on, let me grab my phone and see what's happened next. Okay, yep, I'm gonna take, right, yeah, alright, so give me just a second guys, because the whole point and the main part here is to make the process back, because that's basically the whole point. So let me finish this real quick. All right, yep, okay, yeah. All right, so I'm closing this, and here's guys my channel again, just in case you forgot it already, and don't disappear on me now. Okay, and since Solana is supposed to be fast, so I'm gonna refresh. Yeah, come on, because my viewers are waiting for the result. And come on. Yep guys, yep, there it is, nice. And before anyone get confused guys, I'm not encouraging you to try anything and to repeat after me, alright? There is always one guy who does something stupid and then blames the whole video. Okay. So, if you like this video, drop your royal like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will post a lot of new videos, and I'm preparing now the detailed QA video for you soon. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in another one.